Hi there, it's me Himal, a professional WordPress website designer and developer, also team leader of Mindustry Production. So Mindustry Production is a digital marketing agency where we'll provide online-based marketing service like web design, development, graphics design, and B2B business growth service. Today in this video, we're going to learn how can we upload product in WooCommerce website in WordPress. So without wasting your time, let's get started. All right, now we're in the dashboard. So for upload product in WooCommerce store, you first of all have to go to the product, hover over in it, and click on add new. Now open this tab in a new tab. Okay, the tab is opened in front of us. After that, this is the option where you need to add the product title. So let's add our first product title. Just copy. Also there is a product description, so let's copy this description and paste over here. And there is few available option which is very important for this product, and here the right hand side there is a few more available option. First of all, the option is like save as draft. For this thing, by this thing you can mark this product as a draft instead of making instant live. And also there is one more option which is called preview. You can take a look of this product without publish this product by clicking on this option. And also there is one more option what is called the status of this product. After clicking on this, you can select this option like pending review, draft, and more other option according to your need. So I'm clicking on cancel. Also there is a visibility option like public, or you can make it as a password protected or private as you want. If you click on password protected, now if you put a password like 1234, then the user must have to enter this password for show this product. Okay, so I am going to remove this. And if you click on private, then this product will be private and no one will be able to show this product. Okay, so in this option, this is a publish option. You can set a schedule time when you want to publish this product as well. Okay, so this is from our SEO plugin RankMath, the SEO score. So we'll discuss about the latter one. And there is a one more option which is called copy to new draft. We don't need to do this. And also a option move to trust. That means you want to remove this product or not. And also there is an option which is called publish. If you click on here, you can publish the product. And the product image section will be able to upload the product image, I mean feature image. So if you click on here, we'll go our dashboard where our has all the images of this website. So we have no any product image here, so I'm going to upload my product images. Let's go to download. Let's white, and here is my t-shirt product images here. And if I select here, as you can see, it's uploading in our dashboard from my laptop. So let's set product upload. All right, as you can see, the product image is uploaded here. Now if you want to upload more product like product gallery, you just need to click on here like add more product gallery image. Then you have to upload few more images. You can add according to your need, 2, 3, 4 or unlimited number of image. Okay, let's select this one. Okay, now our product image is uploaded, also the product gallery image is uploaded. Now we have to select the product category. As you can see, I have only a single category which is called uncategorized, but I don't want to select this one because my product has a category which is t-shirt. So I have to add a new category as I don't have any previous category added. So for adding a new category, I have to add an add new category and type on here t-shirt. All right, So there you can select this product as a parent category or child category. So parent category means this category is a first priority. A child category means this category is under another category. So let's add on this category, and as you can see, this category is added successfully. Also, you will find a product tags option here. So this tags option basically help you to identify the product according to tag, also the customer. This tags option is not too much important, so we can skip on that. Okay, so we cover all the available function from the right side widget area. So now we need to focus on the main things of this product functionality. So these things, all those things. So here from the first section is general. In general tab we will find a option like a product variety, where we will find like simple product, group product, external or affiliate product, variable product. So I don't want to go to on other three options in this video, because I don't want to make this video too long. That's why I just going to select on simple product option. Then here we will find two options. One is like regular price and one is sell price. In regular price you can put something like 120 and sell price is 100. That means your sell price must have to be less than of the regular price. So now let's focus on inventory. In inventory you can identify this product as SKU number, which is a specific name or number of a product. As you can find out this product in your stock house or in your shop by this number. You can check mark this here for specify this product how much you have. Then you can also check mark the product you have in stock or out of stock or something like else. Then the next step is shipping. In shipping you can specify this product width and the dimension, and also shipping class. In shipping class option you can identify this product with shipping class. Right now we don't have any shipping class because the store is very new, but in linked product you can attach more product within this product. Let's say you have also pant product in your store and you want to sell as an upsell or cross sell within the t-shirt product. Then if you have already uploaded this product, then you can simply type on here like pant, and after search this your pant product will comes in front of you, and then select, and then you will select this product as an upsell product. Right now we don't have any more other product, that's why it's a no match font. Let's go on the attribute. The attribute section basically for variable product, so I'm going to skip this thing. And the advanced tab, there is a few more available option. Those are really optional. You can put something like you have to purchase minimum of 10 items for customer, for them easy understand that is a wholesale product. Then here's the minimum order or anything else you will understand after reading this, or check out each product option. Then you just simply go to the get more option. Here is a few available link that you need to understand. If you think you need to more learn about this product, then you can click on learn more and you will read about them. Also after that there is a product short description. You simply upload the short description here, which will show in here. And then there is the rank math SEO widget, where you can do one page SEO for this product. So I want to create a specific video for show you how to do one page SEO by rank math. So this option I'm going to skip. Let's make it update. Okay, this product is updated successfully, and let's open it in new tab. As you can see, this product is updated successfully and it's live. Here is our feature product. Here it is our product feature image, and these things are product gallery image. This is the descriptions, this is the title, and this is the product price and short description, add to cart button, payment button, and this is the category. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you guys think this video is helpful, please subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and keep with Mandistic Production for more update.